Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Word Chapter 2 Greater Cumulative Space. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development and many more online courses. I am handling many student courses on MATLAB Pearson, Cengage, Mintap, MC Grahil, Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, simulation exam, all assignments, capstone, cap assessment, midterm exam and final exam with A+ grade. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. First we will go to my lab IT Pearson and we will go to Word Chapter 2 Greater Cumulative Space. We will click on this assignment and click on continue button. Okay, 1 second. Click on continue button, click on download material button. Click on download all files. All files will be downloaded in our PC download folder. First we will open our instruction file. Click on enable editing button. You can see on my laptop screen the title of assignment is Exp25 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Space. I have highlighted and increased the font size of this title for a proper view in my video. Under this project description to get idea about your project. So we will moving on instructions. Select this complete instruction and increase the font size of this instruction for a proper view in my video. So we will move on question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Word, download and open the file named Exp25 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Space. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Ensure that non-printing characters are displayed. Basically in this question we will have to download Word file from MATLAB Pearson dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from MATLAB Pearson dashboard. So I am going to open my file which I have downloaded from Pearson portal. You can download this file easily from your portal. Click on enable editing button. So now we are able to do this assignment. Okay. Ensure that non-printing characters are displayed. We will go to our documentation worksheet and we will go to home tab in the paragraph group. Click on non-printing character button. So we will move on. Next question is question number 2. In question number 2, select underwater astronaut trainer in the first body paragraph and bold it. Select thermal design challenge in the first body paragraph and bold it. Select all text from Space Academy, the first heading on a line by itself on page 1 through pack your bags on page 2 and change the font to Cambria with a font size of 14. Change the alignment of selected text to justify. The first point of question number 2 is that we will select underwater astronaut trainer in the first body paragraph and bold it. Okay. We will select underwater astronaut trainer in the first body paragraph. We will select this text. Go to the home tab in the font group. We will apply bold on this text. This text will be bolded. So the next point is that select thermal design challenge in the first body paragraph and bold it. Okay, so we will select thermal design challenge. Here is the thermal design challenge. We will select this and go to the home tab in the font group, apply bold on this and bold it. This text thermal design challenge is bolded now. So we will move on next point of this question. Select all text from Space Academy on page 1 through pack your bags on page 2 and change the font to Cambria with a font size to 14. Select all text Space Academy on page 1 to the end of page 2 is pack your bags We will select this alt text. So we will change the font to Cambria with the font size to 14. We will go to the home tab. In the font group, we will go to font style. We will apply Cambria font style on this text. Okay. We will apply font size to 14. So this is done now. I have done this question. Okay, last point of this question is that change the alignment of selected text to justified. Change the alignment of selected text to justify. We will go to the home tab. In the paragraph group, open paragraph launcher box. So we will go to alignment box and we will select justified. Click on OK button. So the alignment of selected text to justified now. So we will move on to question number 3. I have done 2 questions of this assignment so far. Question number 3 is that select the bulleted activities in the Space Academy section on page 1 and adjust the line spacing to 1.15. Ensure that paragraph spacing before and after is 0 point for the selected paragraph. Basically, in this question, first we will select the bulleted activities in the Space Academy section on page 1. Okay, we will go to page 1. We will select bulleted activities. Okay, this is the bulleted activities on page 1. I have select this. So adjust the line spacing to 1.15. Okay, we will adjust the line spacing of this bulleted activities. Go to the home tab in the paragraph group. Click on line spacing button. We will select line spacing in 1.15. Okay, the next point of this question is that ensure that paragraph spacing before and after is 0 point for the selected paragraph. Ensure that paragraph spacing is 0 point before and after this selected paragraph. We will go to the home tab in the paragraph group, open paragraph launcher box. Okay, spacing before 0 point, after is 0 point. Click on OK button. You can see this is good now. Paragraph spacing before and after of the selected paragraph is 0 right now. So we will moving on question number 4. I have done 3 questions. Question number 4 is that use format printer to copy the format of the bulleted atom in the Space Academy section to bulleted atom in the Space Camp section and also in the Adult Space Academy section. Okay, we will use the format printer to copy the format of bulleted atoms. We will select this bulleted atoms, go to the home tab. In the clipboard group, click on okay. We will click on format printer. So we will space academy section. We will select this all bulleted text and we will click on. We will first select this all bulleted text and we will click on format printer, and also in the adult space academy section click on format printer button. In the go to the adult space academy section and we will select all bulleted atoms in the adult space academy section. We will select this bulleted atoms, so we will click on format printer. Okay, I have also done this question, so we will moving on question number 5. Select the final 3 paragraphs that are shown above the box area at the end of the document, beginning with sign up online and ending with pack your bags. Apply numbering, selecting number that are followed by a period. Decrease the indent so that the atom begin at the left margin. The first point of question number 5 is that select the final 3 paragraphs that are shown above the boxed area at the end of document, beginning with sign up online and ending with pack your bags. Okay. Here is the 3 paragraphs, sign with beginning with sign up online and ending with pack your bags. I have selected this 3 paragraph, final 3 paragraphs that are shown above the boxed area end of the document. So we will apply numbering, selecting numbers that are followed by a period. Apply numbering, selecting numbers that followed by a period. So we will go to the home tab in the paragraph group and we will click on numbering button. Okay, we will select the numbering that are followed by period. Decrease the indent so that the atoms begin at the left margin. We will decrease the indent so that the atom begin at the left margin. Okay. We will go to the home tab in the paragraph group, click on decrease indent button. So atom begin at the left margin, you can see. Okay, I have done 5 questions of this assignment in my video right now, so I'm going to do question number 6 of this assignment. Question number 6 is that display the ruler. Click before the first blank paragraph above the border text at the end of document. Press enter, set or left tab at the 1 inch and right tab at the 6 inches. Ensure that the right tab include a dash reader. Ensure that the font is 14-point Cambria. The first point of this question is that we will display the ruler. Okay, we will display the ruler in the view tab, show group, click on ruler checkbox. Okay, ruler is displayed right now. So click before the first blank paragraph above the border text at the end of document. Okay. Press enter. So we will press enter. Border is the end of the document, so we'll press the enter. Okay. Set or left tab at the 1 inches and right tab at 6 inches. We will set left tab is 1 inches and we will go to the right tab as 6 inches. Click on right. Here is right tab as 6 inches. Okay. I have set left tab as 1 inches and right tab as 6 inches. So ensure that the right tab is include a dash leader. Okay, go to the home tab. In the paragraph group, open paragraph launcher box, click on tab button and then we will select right tab. You can see right tab is 6 inches and we will select 6. 6 is shown for right tab. Click on OK button. Ensure that the font is 14-point Cambria. We will go to the home tab in the font group, click on font style button and we will select Cambria. First we will select 14-point and select the style is Cambria. Okay, this question is done so well. I have done 6 questions right now, so I'm going to do question number 7 of this assignment on my laptop screen. Please follow my video and you can download your assignment by watching this video. If you want to do this assignment from me, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment and complete course for you with A+ grade. I will do your all assignments, projects, simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A+ grade. So I am going to do question number 7. Press tab and enter space adventure. No period. Press tab and enter Davidson Space Center. No period. Drag the 6 tab back to 5.5 inches on the ruler. Bold the tab line of text. First we will press tab. Okay, and we will enter space adventure. We will copy this and simply paste here or we will type here. Okay, paste here. So we will press tab and enter Davidson Space Center. Okay, and we will type Davidson Space Center. Copy and paste here. So I have entered both texts, Space Adventure, and I have pressed tab and enter Davidson Space Center. So drag the 6 tab back to 5.5 inches on the ruler. 6 tab 5.5 inches. Here is the 5.5 inches on the ruler. Okay. So bold the tabbed line of text. We will select this tab line text, go to the home tab in the font group and we will apply bold on this. First we will select this tab line, apply bold on this. Okay, you can see I have done 7 questions in my video. Total question of this assignment is 17. I have done 50 to 60% of this assignment in my video. Okay, if you want to do this complete assignment from me and if you want to do this complete course from me, I will do this complete assignment and complete course for you with A+ grade. I am handling many student courses on my lab at Pearson, Sangage Tab, MC Grohill, Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. I will provide you A+ grade in this assignment. I will do your all simulation training with A plus grade. I will do your all simulation exam with A plus grade. I will do your all cap assessment assignments with A plus grade, capstone with A plus grade, with midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. You can simply contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this course. I will do your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will handle your complete course till final exam. So I just show you 7 to 8 question in my video, but I have done this complete assignment for my student. You can see on my laptop screen assignment is done, but I did not show complete assignment in my video. If you want to do this complete assignment from me, you can contact me and I will do for you with A plus grade. So I am going to upload this assignment on MATLAB Pearson and I will show my grade which I have got in this assignment. First we will save this file, save as, browse. I am going to saving this file on desktop. Okay, go to MATLAB